This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the document open. Click into the paragraph you want to change. First, highlight text if you want selective resizing, otherwise place the cursor to change future typing. Then look to the toolbar's font size box. This shows a number like 11 or 12. Click it to reveal preset sizes, or type a specific number and press enter. This starts the change immediately, and you will see why choosing a single number keeps layout consistent. Once done with the basic selection, adjust size precisely. You can type any numeric value in the font size box, 13, 14, 5, even 72, and press enter to apply it exactly. Alternatively, use keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+Shift+ increases size, Ctrl+Shift+ decreases it. These are faster for fine-tuning. Make sure to scan paragraphs for reflowed lines and adjust spacing or margins if headings push into the next page, because visual hierarchy matters for readability. To finish, update paragraph or heading styles so all similar text matches. Choose Format, Paragraph Styles, then Update to match. This ensures consistency across the doc. If your changes do not apply, check that you are signed in and have edit permissions, clear the browser cache, or disable interfering extensions. These often block UI updates. Finally, preview and print layout and adjust zoom to confirm the document prints and displays as you intend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.